traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Fun family road trip.
Alright, I'm making bone broth because I've heard that it's really healthy, and so we're making it to feed to the kids. And I've tried chicken, and today I'm trying beef. And the thing that I found online said to first boil the bones for 20 minutes to get out any nastiness, and here's why. Alright, I just boiled these bones for 20 minutes and then put them on the pan. And this is what is in the water. That's pretty nasty stuff, so I guess that's the grossness that you're supposed to get off before making your broth. So now I'm going to bake these in the oven for 25 minutes, and then I'll simmer them for several hours in the Instant Pot. I'm actually going to do it with pressure in the Instant Pot for several hours. Alright, I just cooked these bones at just over 450 degrees for about 45 minutes. So now I'm going to put them in the pot with hot water, and it looks like the longest we can do on the Instant Pot is 240 minutes. So that's how long these are going to be pressurized to make the bone broth. Alright, we've made our bone broth. It's done. This one is the chicken. So go ahead and try that and give us your opinion on it.
That tastes horrible.
Yeah?
Bad.
So they tried it the other day warmed up, and they said it was worse. So it's definitely better cold, right? Alright, hurry and guzzle that down, and I'll give you some of this kind and you can taste it. What does it taste like? Can you explain the flavor?
It tastes like a worm.
A worm?
A worm.
Well, I've never eaten a worm. Have you eaten a worm, James?
Nope. It tastes like horrible chicken soup plus vinegar plus something like that.
Chicken soup and vinegar?
Combined it.
Without the chicken and the noodles? Alright, are your cups empty? Alright, here's the beef. I'll give you a side-by-side comparison. Chicken on the right, beef on the left. So the beef is a darker color. Alright, how does it smell? That good, huh?
No, that horrible. It smells like a dead cow.
How does yours smell, Colin?
It smells pretty. It smells like regular bone broth. It smells like regular bone soup, like broth. Yeah.
Is that a good smell
Chicken
or a bad
smells
smell?
way better.
The chicken one smells better than the beef? How does the beef taste?
Just about the same. Much Except
better.
for a little better.
The beef tastes better?
Much better.
Oh. I thought the other day you told me the chicken tastes better. The beef is better? When we made it, how did it smell when we opened up the Instant Pot?
Smell pretty strong. Strong and bad.
Pretty bad, huh? Even Dad came in the house and said, "Oh, yuck, what's that smell?" It was pretty nasty. I just smelled the beef, and it smells like soup or gravy or something. And the chicken, I don't even know what that smell is. The chicken smell is not as strong as the beef, but it's kind of gross. And the beef is more of a beefy smell. Okay, so next time we make bone broth, what should we make?
Beef. Oh, beef. But beef.
Beef? Alright, is it going to be healthy for you? You guys are going to be like super healthy and strong, and
I'm strong. Look, I'm even
it's going to do amazing things for you.
Look, I'm even growing.
Whoa, you're growing and growing and growing.
Uh-oh.
You're growing right out of the screen. Okay, so what if other kids have some health issues? Should they try bone broth to help them?
No. Yeah.
We'll have to give it a couple months and see if it works, huh?
Yeah.
And we'll come back to this topic and let you know what's happening. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.